Hi, and welcome back to class. This time we're going to talk about the passive voice. Let's look at a few things that happened in my life this week. First, I went to our college's basketball game, and this happened. I'm sorry. You were hit on the head. Then I was riding on Bart, and this happened. I'm sorry. They were pushed. Things were looking pretty good when my friend Jeffrey baked a cake. He left at 2 o'clock, and then when he came back at 4 o'clock, I'm sorry. The cake was eaten, and then this poor woman was driving. I'm sorry. Your car was crashed into. And look what happened to this kid. I'm sorry. Your toy is broken. Let's look at all the things I was sorry to see this week. I was sorry you were hit on the head. I was sorry they were pushed. I was sorry the cake was eaten. I was sorry your car was crashed into. I was sorry your toy is broken. Now let's look at the verbs in these sentences. Were hit, were pushed, was eaten, was crashed into, is broken. They look kind of funny. This is what's called the passive voice. There's nothing wrong with it grammatically, but it doesn't always show us who's responsible for an action. So who did all of those terrible things this week? Let's take a look. Let me think back. I remember at the basketball game, the ball came over to me and I'm sorry I hit you on the head. Then on Bart that day, I was really tired, so to wake myself up, I started to do some stretching. I'm sorry I pushed those people. There's Jeffrey's cake. And at 3 o'clock that day, I'm sorry I ate all of the cake. It was delicious. Then, I wonder who is driving the blue car. I'm very sorry I crashed into your car. I'm so sorry I broke your toy. Now we know who did all of those things. And we know that because the second time I used the active voice. So with the active voice, we can see who is doing the action. But with the passive voice, we can't. So if you want to avoid taking blame, you can use the passive voice. It's not very nice though, but sometimes it's necessary. Sorry.